Next up, let's find the traveler's luggage. If we head across to the airport in the far southeast side of the map and zoom in, right in the center here of this little U shape, you'll find this block here with two white blocks in it. We're heading straight to the entrance of this room here, but on the inside. Usually you'll want to come in the back, come to the right and down here, as that's probably the simplest way to get there. But there are multiple ways as this is a big area. So I would be navigating across there while I'm alive, but crawling all the way across here, up these little stairs here, you'll see that right in the center here, we have a bag. This is the traveler's luggage, right here in the far southeast side of the map. Unfortunately, I can't point at it as I'm lying here dying, but anyways, it's very simple to get to, though it is a very big place that we're inside of. So anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno Behavior Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!